Hello parents, guardians and students, and welcome to this information overview of the year ahead for Year 11 studying geography. I hope you find this helpful, and if you do have any questions, my name is Mrs. Kane. I'm in charge of the EBAC subjects, which covers history, geography and languages. So please, if there's any further clarification that you would need, if this overview does not answer those questions, do not hesitate to email myself and I will get back to you. Okay, as you are well aware, we follow the AQA specification for geography 8035. If you would like to find out further details in relation to the specification, then you can go onto AQA's website, click GCSE, Geography, and then you will be taken to this specification 8035. That will give you further details in terms of the content for the 3 exam papers and any assessment requirements. So firstly, to let you know, there have been some changes to geography for 2021, and essentially that simply covers paper 3. So paper 1 and paper 2 remain the same in terms of exam time, 1 hour and 30 minutes, in terms of exam weighting of 88 marks and 35% each to the overall outcome in 2021. However, paper 3 has been shortened to reflect the fact that the students are no longer able to undertake any fieldwork investigations, which would normally have counted towards their overall score in the summer results. So therefore, as this has been removed from the requirements for the exams for summer 2021, the skills that would normally have been developed through the process of the fieldwork will now be taught within the classroom. There will be an issues analysis section which will form part of paper 3, and the materials will be released to us as a subject in April/May of 2021. This therefore means that the pupils will be developing the fieldwork skills within the classroom to therefore apply to the issues analysis that will be with us in the April and May of next year. So an overview of the year to come. Currently, we have been revising ecosystems, and we've done a number of low-stake quizzes to identify any potential areas for development post-Christmas, where we will have quite a considerable amount of time to do revision within the classroom. We're moving forward to weather and climate hazards, and our PPE, which will take place in the last week of November, first week of December, will be 1 hour and 30 minutes, and this will be based on paper 1. Moving into year 11, in the spring term, we will look at the challenges faced for resource management, specifically looking at water, developing those fieldwork skills within the classroom in preparation for the pre-release materials in April/May. Alongside that, we will be interleaving and spacing retrieval activities so that the pupils are not leaving revision to the final months of their year 11, so that they are revisiting core knowledge throughout the course. The exam papers themselves, paper 1 is 1 hour and 30 minutes, which covers natural hazards, the living world, cold environments, UK landscapes, coasts and rivers, and it counts for 35% of the overall 9-1 score awarded in the summer term. Paper 2 covers human geography, looking at urban issues and challenges, the changing economic world, and the final topic that we need to teach, the challenge of resource management, and specifically in relation to water. Again, this is 1 hour 30 minutes, so it mirrors paper 1, and that's worth 35%. Paper 3, as I mentioned earlier, will have an additional task set, and that is simply assessing the skills in relation to fieldwork that normally would be developed outside in the classroom, however, will be developed within the classroom in order to apply those skills to the issues analysis. So therefore, to reflect this exam will actually be shorter and will not include prior questions for previous years that did specifically target their external fieldwork. Homework. Our homework is set weekly and the tasks are posted to the Google Classroom. Every geography class has its own specific Google Classroom, and the tasks equate to 60 minutes per week, and they take a variety of forms: revision materials, retrieval activities, specifically using two platforms, Seneca and Quizlet. In relation to assessment outcomes and homework outcomes, Seneca enables us to smartly assign tasks to pupils who may have struggled with a particular topic and would benefit from some additional research methodologies, some additional retrieval activities, and additional homework support. Google Classroom has been populated with a variety of resources too. For each exam paper, they will find PowerPoints to go with the topic areas. They will also find past papers, and they will also find revision lists and revision PowerPoints. All of these are specific to each child's Google Classroom, and all pupils know that they can access the classroom via their school email account. We also recommend highly that pupils also purchase a revision guide for AQA, and this can be purchased via school at a reduced price of £3.25 as opposed to the recommended RRP of £6. We also have an electronic copy too to support learners, and we've posted this to the Google Classroom. Other sources that we use and recommend that the pupils also interact with: BBC Bitesize, Internet Geography. We have subscribed to this resource. Seneca, as mentioned before, and Quizlet, which is a very useful tool for having key knowledge used in terms of flashcards, key question, and then the definitions. A variety of other ways of revising: mapping concepts, plasticine models for the formation of coastal river landforms, revision clocks, and key vocabulary tests. Tier 3 language, or specifically the geography Tier 3 language. It is vital that the pupils understand these because these form the command words within the exam questions themselves. So they need to understand, what do these key terms actually mean? So here is one strategy: simply giving the keyword and then writing out the definition. Look, cover, explain. So I hope you have found that really helpful. And again, as noted at the beginning, please, if there's anything you would like further support with, or any other inquiries that you feel haven't been addressed in this presentation, please do not hesitate to contact me and I will get back to you. Okay, thank you very much.